So, welcome to EDUSystems School Management Software. In this tutorial video, I'll be taking you through on how to use EduSystem solutions to manage your school fees, school finances. So, probably you are a school administrator, school head, or school owners, and you need a software that can help you to manage school fees and school finances generally. EduSystem is the best for you. So I'll be taking you through the finance feature of EduSystem school management software. Under finance, we have setup fees, expenses, cash book, and filter student debts. Now I'll click on setup fees. Now you have the list of the classes that have been created here. So in case your class have not been created, you can watch the video on our YouTube channel, or you just click on this setup new class. So I open this in new tab. You can see this is the list of all the classes. Then you can click here to what, to create your own class. So I'll click on basic, type basic one. So all I just need to do is what, you click on setup and the class will be listed here. So that is for setting up your new class. Then for the fee category too, you select the fee category. So but in case your own fee category is not here, you just do the same thing. You click on setup slash manage fee category. So I open that in new tab. You see the list here. Then you can enter your own fee category here. So after typing it here, you click on setup as well. Then it's going to be listed here. Then okay, I'm back here. So for the sake of time, I'm going to do only for basic one, first term, second term, and third term. So for basic one, first term, uh, the school fee is 26,000. Then the session is there at default. You can skip the notes. The note is not important. So that's, it has been set up. This is for first term. So let me do for second term school fee. Let me do 26,500, assuming you have the same amount as your school fee for that same class uh, in the second term. So have, you can see basic one 26,500 second term. So basic one third term 27,000, same session. So you can see basic one first term 26,000, basic one second term 26,500, basic one third term 27,000. So that is how to set up. So if you want to set up for basic 2, basic 3, basic 4, and even all the secondary classes, that's how you do it, one after the other. Then once you are done with setup fees, this is expenses. Now on a daily basis, the school is expected to have to incur expenses and have some income. What are the income? Sales of books, school fees, and so many other things as this the school's source of income. Then expenses like buying of fuel, uh, purchasing of books, buying of markers, payments of salaries. Those are the school expenses. So you select your expenses. So if it is expenses, then it's going to be what, uses. If it is income, then it's going to be what, sources. So let's go for expenses. The uses is going to be buying of fuel. That's 7,000. So on this same day, we still have another expenses, which is salary, and the salary is probably the total salary is that was paid is 82,000. So uh, we still have another expenses payments for ink, 3,500. Click on submit. Then we have income, sales of books, 42,000. Still have school fee payments, 91,000. So these are the income and these are the expenses. So the total balance you have now is this. So that's the total balance remaining. So you have the income, you have the expenses, you have the total balance. Now probably you want to like check the income and expenses for the whole month of March. You can search. So no record. Income record, no record. Expenses record, no record. Total balance. For the month of February too, you can search. Same thing. For the month of January too, you can search. Nothing. So, but for the month of March, I mean for the month of April, uh, so but for the month of April 2024, you can see you have your income and expenses stated, well stated with the uses and the exact dates, what for, amounts, notes, dates recorded. Then the total balance, this is what you have. So even when you remove this from this, you have this as balance. So that is for your expenses. That's income slash expenses. Then let's come to cash book. Now this is our cash book. You can see. Now for these dates, cash books cover for each month of the year. So if you want to select, you want to have access to the cash book of March, you select 3, then you search. For February 2, for January 1, that is it. So for these dates, you have this the credit, this is the debit. The credit is the income, the debit is the expenses. So you have the particulars, the amounts, other details. Then the debt part too, debit part too, you have all the informations there. So at the end of the day, uh, indirect credit entry and direct credit entry. So you have total credits and you have total debits. So that is it. So that is for your what? Your cash book. Um, then for the filter students debt. Now, in case now we've not the reason why we are not having any information here is not because no student is owing, but it's because we've not generated invoice for each of those students. So once invoice have been generated, that is when they can now pay. So anyone that is not paying is going to reflect here that that particular student or pupil is what is owing. So that is basically what the finance part is all about. It covers the setup fees, the expenses, cash book, and filter students debt. So if there is any student owing, this is where you see the student's name, the class, the term, the invoice amount, amounts paid, balance, which is the debt, then the set reminder date. So that is it. So thanks for watching. Thanks for being with us. Thanks for choosing EDUSystems School Management software. All right. Bye bye.